Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your comment on someone's Instagram post or reels. So in here, I've already on my Instagram, and first I'm going to leave a comment on a post. For example, I'm going to comment this post. Okay, I'm going to just leave an emoji as the comment, for example. Then click on send. And you can see there is no delete options in here. So what you need to do is just long press on the comment that you created, and there will be this delete button. So just tap on that and the comment will be deleted. And there are also other ways that you can do. Let's add a comment again. For example, this emoji, and here the second way is that you can just go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top, and then click on your activity, go to the comments options, and you can see this is the comment that I left before. You can just click on select at the top right corner, click on a checkbox or select the comment that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete these 3 comments. Now you can just click on delete at the bottom. Okay, delete comments, just click on delete again. And just like that, the comments that you left on someone's post will be disappear. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.